Children, today chapter number 20, articles we are going to do. Okay. What are articles, children? You have studied in the previous class also. A, and the are called articles. Okay. A and an, they are indefinite articles, whereas the is a definite article. This you will come to know. Like most of the adjectives, articles come before nouns. Okay, they are placed before nouns. Like see here, children, I see a woman in the street. Here woman is a noun, so article is written here, a. In the street, street is noun, so the is placed here before the noun. Okay, so see the second example. The boy has an ice cream in his hand. So boy is noun, so the is placed before boy, and ice cream is also noun, so an is placed before the noun. So articles come before the nouns. Followed, children? A, and the are also called adjectives, children. Yes, we also call them adjectives because they are placed before the nouns. Okay. Now, what do you mean by a, children? A or an tells us about the number of a person or thing. Like, children, if I say a nurse, what I mean to say? I am talking about one nurse. So a or an in English means one. Okay. A or an means one. A nurse or an orange, if I say, I mean to say one orange. So a and an tells you about the number of a person or thing. Now look here, children. A nurse, a teacher, a lion, a ball, a tree, a banana. So here, children, all these words, nurse, teacher, lion, ball, tree and banana, they are nouns. And all these nouns are singular in number. Singular in number means they are one in number, right? So that is why we have placed a before them. And where do we place a? How we are going to know that, children? The article a is used before nouns, before words, beginning with a consonant sound in the singular number. You all know what are vowels and consonants? Okay. And in the same manner, children, article an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound in the singular number. Look here, children. Here O is a vowel, E is vowel, A is vowel. That is why we have written an. So, if you see there is a vowel in the first letter, then you are going to write down an. Okay. If the words begin with a vowel sound, you place an before them. And if it begins with a consonant sound, you place a before them. Okay. Now see this example, children. If I say dash boy. Now boy, B is a consonant. Okay. You all know what are consonants? You remember? Now see here, children. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. Okay. And the remaining letters B, C, D, all the remaining letters other than these 5, they are called consonants. Okay. Followed. So if I say dash boy, now you have to see B is a vowel or consonant. B is a consonant. So you write here a boy. Okay. In the same manner, if I say a car, because C is a consonant. But if I say dash egg, here E is vowel. So when you see any vowel letter, you will place an before them. You write an egg. In the same manner, dash umbrella. So you write here an umbrella because U is a vowel. Followed, children? So if you see that the sentence or the words or the noun is singular in number, we use a or an before them. Okay, both a or an means one in English. Okay, so just you have to pay attention that if the words begin with a consonant sound, you write a. If it begins with a vowel sound, you write an before them. Okay. But children, still we have some exceptional cases, children. This I will explain you again in the copy. So look into the copy. Now look at these two examples, children. Dash hour, dash honest man. Now children, you all know here H is silent, right? H is silent in honest man also. H is silent. So when we pronounce these words, what is the sound you hear? Hour late. He is dash hour late, or dash hour, or dash honest man. We are not saying honest man. H sound we don't hear. We say the word from O. Okay. So children, if we pronounce these two words, you will see that H remains silent, and we have to see the second letter. Then in that case, if the first letter is silent, you see the second letter. What is the second letter? O. O is a vowel. So we are not going to write here an hour we say. Okay children, this is an exception case. You have to remember this. Don't think that H is a consonant, so you write here a. No, you don't have to see only the first letter. Try to focus on the sound of the words also. Dash hour. So we are not pronouncing or taking out the sound of H. H is silent here, children. Okay. So you will see the second letter, that is O, and O is a vowel. So we don't say a hour, we say an hour. In the same way, children, dash honest man. Again, honest, we have letter O, which is a vowel. Because H is silent, we are pronouncing from letter O, honest man. So we write here an. Okay. So this you have to remember. One more example, children. Look here. Now look at these words, children. Useful, uniform, European. Now all these words, they have what kind of sound? U sound. Useful. U, Y-O-O-U. This sound is coming if you say the words. Say it and see now. Yes, you will hear this sound. U. Uniform. So Y-O-O sound is coming. Yes or no? European. So this sound is coming. So children, if the words are having sound of Y-O-O, अगर words में Y-O-O का sound है, then in that case we don't write an, we write a. Useful. Don't think कि U is vowel तो यहाँ पे an लिख देना. No children. Don't only see the vowel letters. You have to focus on the sound of the words also. Okay. So when I say a useful thing, U sound is coming. Y-O-O. तो जहाँ पे double O sound आएगा, वहाँ पे an नहीं लगा के a लगाना है. Okay. A useful thing. A uniform. We don't say an uniform. Okay. Dash European. European. Now E sound again is silent. And E is silent here. So European. It's sounding like European. So we don't write here and we write a. These three are also exception, children. You have to remember. Okay. Only these three you remember for your class. And these also. Okay. So let us see the examples given in your book. Here Geeta is an hour late, because an we are writing because H is silent. Mr. Sharma is an honest man, and we are writing because H is honest man, and we are writing because H is silent. Followed, children? Next you see this university. U, which sound is coming? Y-O-O. So we write a before university. Okay. A useful thing, a uniform, a European. So these you have to remember, children. Okay. And one more thing, children. Articles a and an are used before countable nouns only. So those nouns, children, that we can count, before them only we write a or an. Like we will not say a wheat. We don't say a wheat or a rice. Why we will say like that? These are not countable. A sugar. We never say a sugar. Do we say? No. We cannot count sugar, no? So that is why only we will write a or an before countable nouns. Nouns जिनको हम गिन सकते हैं. Okay. And we use before e. Sorry, one more example is there. We use a before the word ear. Why? Because it begins with the sound of ye and not with the vowel sound e. Here, children, ear, you have ye. So we will write a before it. Okay. Y is there. So these you have to remember. So children, based on this, The exercise is given in your book. You are going to do question number A and B in your grammar book. Okay, I have already done. You may go through it. Like, see the first example, dash elephant, E is vowel, so write an elephant. Dash umbrella, U is vowel, a umbrella. Dash stick, S is consonant, so write a stick. A hen, and egg. An ox, a farmer. An orange, an apple. Okay, likewise children, but here children, all these are easy. Let us see the examples that are little bit different. We might be having, no, here it's very easy. Just see the vowel and the consonant sound and place a or an. Okay, so an eye because E is vowel, an ear, E is vowel, a husband and a wife. So like this you do this exercise till 24 number, and see what is given in question number B. Here also you have to put a or an. Okay, so see the first example. Dash European came to visit our school yesterday. Now European, what sound is coming? U sound. So don't see this and don't write an. When you have Y-O-O sound, यहाँ पे a लिखोगे. Okay, a European came to visit our school yesterday. They live in an igloo. That was an easy question. This is an empty tin. You see all these are beginning with vowels, so we write an before them. Okay. See seventh one. Mummy bought Ritu a new uniform. I met Rohan's uncle. He is a European. Y-O-O sound is coming, so write down a. Jatin will come in the park after an hour. H is silent, so we are seeing this word. Okay, an. Please buy me an umbrella. So this much you do in your grammar books children, and usage of the we will do in the next class. Okay, thank you children.